some of these out. Put that there. Lucky 60. Let's just add an extra bit of glue. Had these for so long, these stickers. Well, at least I'm running low on stock, that's okay. I want to cut this out. Leave a bit of the white around it. I like that. Sainsbury's, taste the difference. Oh, it's coming out now, aren't you? Let's put Sainsbury's, taste the difference there. This is nice. Put that there. Or put it which way? Put a pop of colour on this page as well. It goes with the cream anyway. Just stick that there. Don't know how it's gonna pan out. I thought I had 2 pieces of it. There it is. And put that there. For Friday, what would be good, if you can gather up all your household bits and pieces, go through the drawers and the cupboards, see what bits and pieces, receipts, tags, stickers that are just in a drawer, in a cupboard, hanging around. If you just get all those out, and then Friday we can journal together. By that time I'm just going to go through my bits and pieces as well and see what else I have got, because my box needs replenishing now. That is good, I like that. You can put that there. We've got some gems here I can put on. Just use them up. There is no point whatsoever just using 1 or 2 out of them. I aim to use everything up. Now, is that going to stick there, or will I need to add some glue? Because they've got sticky backs already, but sometimes when you lift it off, it's then left on the packaging, but that seems to be okay. They're lifting off okay. Oops, that's flown somewhere. We'll just stick it up. It's sticky enough, but thinking if it starts lifting, then I can glue it, but it's very sticky. I like the shades of purple. I like that, shades of purple. That's what I like. And this was my jumper that the kids purchased for me for my birthday. I'm going to use this piece of, let's cut it in half, put a piece there, a piece there. I'll use my Tim Holtz tiny attacher and get that stapled on there. There we go. I'll put another one. Let's do another one. There we go. That's it. Leave that there for a minute. Gonna need another pocket at some point. I'm using this one. I used a bit of it, a piece of it the other day. Piece of it, no, one like it. I used one like it the other day. There we go. Let's see what we've done today. I've done this one, the pocket, side pocket, and then we've done this one with the top pocket, covered the background, and that is so nice. I like that. And then it's got the tag, the baker's twine, and this I want to make a pocket for this. These ones. Okay. That's it. Maybe I should do it round the other way. That's better. Right. Leave it like that for now until I decide what I want to do with it. And that's it. So 1 page, 2 page, 3 page. Great. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload videos. Don't forget Friday. I'd really enjoy if you joined me and we can journal together. Right, I'll see you then. Bye for now.